we are all people busy for our individual profession, for our individual task. We need refreshment. We need refreshment. We need leisure period for entertainment, and morning time is the best according to me, cause morning time refreshment is super. The morning a cool air feel better another time of whole day. That's why if you get chance for walking outside, you should go morning time. Basically, if you are a Muslim, you should wake up very morning and try to prepare for your salat. After the salat, you will go outside for enjoy the morning nature, for enjoy the morning refreshment, and it helps you to keep your sound mind and health. If you get a chance, you will try go to outside in morning and try to refresh your mind and your body. Best of luck.